Do you know what they say?
I wrote them. Yeah.
Yeah!
Now show me the other one.
Other one. They were both good.
What?
I kind of wish I got the 3D printer. And I kind of wish I really wanted a 3D printer, and I really want to go squishy hunting. So.
Oh, you chose squishy hunting, so that's what we're doing.
Okay. Oh, look, it's One Piece. It's the better butter.
Oh, look, it's you, Jake.
Look, it's a better butter. What? The better butter.
A better butter?
It's a cheese. That sucks.
That sucks.
A better butter? Let me try.
Yeah, the better butter. No, that's better.
Yeah.
This one. Hey, give me this. Where's my better butter?
You want the butter?
Mama.
You want the butter too?
Jay, right here.
What is it?
There's the pizza and the fuzzball. I broke my fuzzball.
You did?
Yes.
Okay. What is it that you want?
I also want a fuzzball.
I have orange, pink, and purple for the fuzzball left.
Can I have the orange?
Yeah, the orange is, I think.
Can I see
really
the
like
squeezer?
one.
Oh, the squeezer.
sorry.
This is the one that you want?
Yeah.
Mom.
I can't squeeze
Mom.
it though. That's fine.
What'd you say?
I'm pretty sure this is the sugar.
What is going on? I am so dead. Oh, look.
We have the peanut. There's some more over there. Oh wait. No, this is another of one. I think this is Vaseline.
Here, Mom. I'm gonna leave them over here.
That one sucks.
Ew.
Yeah, I know. Ooh. Oh shoot. It's the viral toothpaste.
Toothpaste?
Yeah, I think it's a different color though.
Chill. Alright, apparently there's squishies and clears, so we're here now. And he's looking. Ow! Hi, how are you? Okay.
Yeah? You need some help today?
He's looking for squishies.
Oh, we don't have squishy here though.
Oh,
What's up, guys? My mom took me and my siblings to get some squishies, and this is what we got. So first, we have the Needle Nice Baby. This is from my brother. So, well, we can open up. There it is. That one's good. Next,
You want it?
let's open. Oh, it smells so good. Let's open the fuzzball. The fuzzball.
Dude, that's a big one.
This pattern looks really cool.
Can I try it?
That's really good.
they all want it.
Just can I try it?
That one looks
Can I try
really
it,
good.
Jace?
Okay, so now we have the pizza. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah, but then it says you can take this off. I want to be really careful. Do not want this to pop. Okay. Oh, that feels nice.
Can I try it?
Oh my. Okay, hold on.
Can the best person try it?
Best brother, you mean? Okay. Good.
So?
Yeah, I don't like that one.
Let me see.
I like it.
I don't like
Okay.
that.
Now we got the dumpling. I hope I get the glitter one.
Is that the most rare one?
Yeah, I hope I get it. Okay. Hold on. Okay.
Wait, you should show them without looking.
Okay. That's what I was gonna. Okay, you guys first. Okay. You guys know what it is? Did I get the glitter one?
Alright, open it.
I got the glitter one.
No way.
Is that really rare?
Yeah.
I like it.
I can't see. Here, let me see. Oh. She stole it. Do you like that one? Yeah.
All right, my man. I got the chicken.
me.
And the triple fry.
Thank you.
Sir.
Oh, look, I got the glitter dumpling.
Oh, that's sick.
Mama.
Oh, wow. That looks really good. All right, Jace is going to review his food here. I got a really nice plate there. Broccoli, macaroni and cheese, some fruit, and fries.
That's good.
Broccoli's good?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? All right.
Yeah. Because the others, like, this part right here, like the stem of the tree, it's like not as hard as the other ones.
Okay.
Now let's try the fries. Okay, that's pretty good.
All right. Let me know when you're ready to try the mac and cheese.
Just try honey mustard.
7.5.
7.5?
Yeah.
Just try the honey mustard.
Fruit. I'm gonna try it. This is one. I didn't really like blueberries. Is that grapes?
Nummy.
Grape?
Yummy.
8.5.
Okay, not bad.
Okay, now
I'm gonna feed it to you, okay?
the grand finale. My main. Mac and cheese. Ten. So overall is, what was this? 7.5? So
A 35 out of 10?
35 out of 100.
That's bad. That's really bad.
35 out of 50.
That's a really bad review.
35 out of 35. I think that would average out to 7 out of 10.
So this is a 7 out of 10?
35 divided by 5.
All right, so you're rating this meal a 7 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Emma, who eats like this?
Emma.
Really? What are you doing?
Yes.
Yes. What?
Are you ever gonna talk to her?
She's eating your food.
Okay, but which one? I don't know. Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing happy birthday to my friend Dingus over here? 11 years old.
To who?
My friend Dingus over here. 11 years old.
Unfortunately, they don't let us sing Happy Birthday. There's like rules against like,
Mama.
copyrights to it.
Oi.
If you had like a custom song, you could probably sing that, but you know, you'd have to sing with me.
Happy birthday, Dingus, to you. Why don't you love me to you?
He's just joking.